Why would you want to know what the Facebook pixel is? I don't know. Maybe you don't, but I'm going to tell you anyway. The Facebook pixel is what advertisers use to show you advertisements, right? So let's say that you're scrolling up and down Facebook. You find something that you like and you like it. After that, you're scrolling up and down Facebook the next day and you see a couple other advertisements from the same company. And you say, you know what? Let me actually go to this website. So you go to the website, but you don't buy anything. Then the day after that, you see another advertisement from the same company. And you keep on going through the same process until eventually you buy something. So how does this company keep on sending you different advertisements? Even if you're on other platforms, you're still seeing advertisements from this company. The Facebook pixel. All right, so the Facebook pixel is a cookie. Not a chocolate chip or macadamia or your other favorite sweet, but an actual thing that tracks you, right? So it tracks your movement. So it knows that, okay, you liked our Facebook page, you went to our website, so you were interested in something, so let's just send you as many different advertisements as we can until you actually buy something. This is good for pretty much retargeting customers, right? I even use a Facebook pixel because I have a Facebook page, a website, and all this type of stuff, right? So I'll use a pixel myself with my business to figure out who likes me, who's my customer base, and what they're actually looking for. So it makes you a lot better marketer, and it actually shows your information or your stuff to people that actually want to see it, right? LinkedIn has a similar type of thing. I can't remember what it's called, but LinkedIn also has tracking cookies that advertisers and marketers can use to advertise products to the right people. So gang, this quick video was about the Facebook pixel. Just a quick summary: the Facebook pixel is pretty much a small little spy that spies on you, and it just sees what you like and what you don't like, and when it figures out what you actually like, it sends you more of that type of information, more of those type of advertisements to hopefully gain your business as a customer, right? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you think I'm gonna get into IT, head over to itmasterkey.com. We have CompTIA, Microsoft, Cisco, and EC Council certification. So other than that, I'll see you in class. So for example, you're scrolling up and down Facebook, right? You're looking at stuff, you like something, right? So you like a page or you like something, and you whoa. I'm gonna start over. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Just start over. No big deal. Okay. Hey gang, this is the one.